What does that even mean? Everybody's like, what was up with the friggin' polar bear in the bush? And they never explained anything.
Back in November, down for the Great Escape.
It doesn't even matter.
For our little reunion, the Great Escape people. And I am going to, instead of this today, I am going to make
It's funny how
flatbread
these shows go and they're like, guys, think for and it's like the writers just are like,
so,
they're like, I don't
want to do on the
what I
video
want to do.
is, it's going to be
we might actually watch that.
with a fig jam.
Oh yeah, that was
Okay,
good.
so
Yeah.
Some
Granny
Granny Smith apples, gorgonzola cheese,
But then
pecans.
that's like the silent
On all of these pizzas,
Yeah, that was awesome.
we're
I
gonna top
haven't,
all
have you
the
guys seen his
balsamic
new
glaze.
show where he's the devil?
All right.
Yes, there's no,
So, just
no
for time, I had already put the fig on there. Right here, I'm gonna put a little bit of butter.
Or is it?
He drives a car. No, he's the devil.
He's the devil. No Roger vampires.
So the one with the fig, I kind of just came off today.
Yeah, well, I think there's a whole bunch of them.
I did do a fig one before,
That's what I got out of
but just with the pancetta and the apples, I wanted to make a little bit something different instead of using
That's
pears.
an all.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
you never watched it.
That show is
I
always
have to watch the
honey
whole
going on
thing.
there.
And that's a show, like, even through to the end, it seemed like they didn't give up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they so could have gone for it.
Yeah.
They really could have gone
Now,
for it.
we watched Better Call Saul, so we binged a bunch of that. Now
Yeah.
we're kind of
So now what I'll
My
do is I'll put some
favorite part of that
gorgonzola
whole
cheese on
series
this
was
one.
when he ran the guy over in the park that was going after, remember he's in the little car and he drives into the, like this little median strip?
Yeah.
The guy that's going after Jesse,
Yeah.
he just out of nowhere.
Yeah, well, go to shoot.
I don't know why, but that was so exciting. I stood up and I screamed. I was like, yeah! It was the coolest part of the show.
Then I realized that the actor that played Jesse was in, what is the movie we saw yesterday? He's a military guy.
How's it going?
It
Good.
was,
How about yourself? You get behind that.
It was so
What was
weird.
it?
Don't know
He
who
was,
He's watching like in Beirut or something, he had to pull him. He'll be,
All
we'll let
right,
him
so
back
now
out.
here we'll take some
Oh, I
apples.
don't know what that one is, yeah. But he was in, was
Now,
the
if you use
show,
Granny Smith, Granny Smith, the
where they
targets
had,
of the Granny Smith will go with the
android
gorgonzola
robots
cheese.
that were in the western town where you go and.
Oh, yeah.
And what's even better is you get some pancetta. Once you grill up the pancetta, that actually gets a little bit of sweetness in there too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
So we throw that on there.
I was watching it and it just.
Yeah, it went a little weird, yeah. In the last season, I saw him in there.
And you know what? I mean, there's pork fat rules, like Emerald used to say. Pork fat rules. You can't have too much pancetta on this
Oh,
thing.
okay.
His life
So we're gonna use that whole thing up.
And
And we're gonna throw a little bit of pecans on
in
this.
your brain, you don't know if it's real or if it's fake. So his life was fake.
After all that.
Yeah, it is drug you, make you believe him.
All good, all
Thank God it didn't break.
That's right now.
I think Jane needs another.
15 seconds.
So as everybody knows, I always like, I go live, I don't edit my videos as you can see, I drop stuff, I pick it up, I don't care. Some pears on here. Now what I'm gonna do on this, instead of smearing the fig in, I'm gonna put little blobs on there, anyway.
Blobs, that's effective.
Little
That
blobs.
is a
Blobs
technical
everywhere.
term.
Blobs are good.
It's an industry term. You look infant.
Some of the greatest chefs have used the word blob.
It's not Paris, it's Paris.
Chef Taranova.
I can't ban because it's against the rules. It's like Emerald had trademarked that.
Trademarked. I'm so sorry.
But can you have a guy over your shoulder going,
I can.
Yeah.
Boom!
Hold on.
Boom's not trademarked.
Alright, so we got that. What am I missing here? Oh, now we got the walnuts.
You're gonna be famous, Jim. Your back will be famous. Do you want to show the suppliers of your product while you're doing that? Promote their product around.
No, I don't get compensated.
Oh, you don't get compensation. Well, maybe you should. Right?
Sometimes I do
We're
it
gonna
though.
have to start. Ocean spray craisins are fabulous for this recipe.
Alright, so what we're gonna do,
Which one? The sugar ones?
we're gonna put these band. Coffee's in the oven over there. And like the magic TV and everything else like that, this is the finished product of the craisins, pears, walnuts, and then we take the balsamic. Go like that. I don't want to dirty up Melissa's counter, so I won't be messy like I normally am. So,
Can I stop?
Carol, I want you to try this. So this is Carol Dancer. Now we're going to do a shameless plug. We are going to plug your product. What is the product that you represent? Quick Dance. So this is Carol Dancer from Quick Dance. In case you have a flood.
Thank you.
So she's going to test it, see how it is. Good? Almost as good as the one in Florida or better than the one in Florida?
Oh, this is just as good.
Just as good. All right.
Good. A little sweet, a little tang,
Perfect.
crunch. Got the crunch. It's perfect.
All right, folks, I know it's not a bartending video, I know it's not a drink, but just a little bit something different. Some food instead, because I don't get fat just by drinking. It's by eating too. So, all right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Click on the links down below to go to Walter's Bartending, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.